Hey guys, so I want to make a there is going to be no sugar, but I want to make like a fruit out of an orange. So I want to try to do it. So I have a scissor. So I'm just gonna cut around like the middle around all of it, and we're just gonna do that right now. It is not that hard, but these scissors are even harder than what I thought. So I tried this before, so I don't think I can mess it up. I did mess it up once. So we're just gonna cut around like that. So we just cut around like that, all here, all around. So we're just gonna, so after that, you just just pop it like that to make it some room. And you just do this around, and then you can have like, I don't think anyone does this that much, but then you'll be equipped with this like perfect cut orange here. So we're just gonna do that, and still a half side of that. Then we just do like that. Then you'll also get another one clean using a scissors. So we're gonna do like that. So next is the orange, and the orange is the easy part. So first we do like, we get this. So we get here, we cut it into a half. This orange is the scissors is so small. Okay, so we're just gonna do like that. And we're just gonna cut like that. Okay. Yeah. So we're just gonna get a scissor and cut the oranges in half. And gonna keep doing like that. And and also make sure you take these like green things, because that's gonna that's not gonna balance it, and that's gonna make you harder. So we're just gonna do like that. And I'm gonna keep cutting until we get like the edge. I still have like half, like not half, but half. Okay, so we're just gonna keep cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting and keep going. And we're just gonna do like this. Ooh. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat that because it's too full, so I'm just gonna eat it.
I know. だからこういうので切るとあかんちゅうのに錆びるで。包丁包丁。
洗ったらいいだけ。
え？
ないよ。
ダメ、金は。酸っぱいものは。酸性でしょ、これは。理科の実験しただろう。
And we got a perfect orange.
錆びるでって。
Half cut orange is.
ここでなってないか。
Thank you. Bye.